We are going to work on pronunciation. Pronunciation is important in English. This class, we will focus on PH sounds because they are the same. There's PH, but they sound very differently. So we have two sounds. The first one is voiceless. It's made with air, like como si hubieran desimplantes. So that's the first sound. And the second one is voice, because you have to make a vibration with your vocal cords. Let's present to you some examples. These are the voiceless sounds. Think. Repeat with me. Think. Think. Great. Think. Think. I think. Okay. Think. That. Ba. So if you finish saying it's just ba. Your vocal cords are not on. Author. You don't actually have to pronounce it. You author sound like author is you in the sound, and then month. Okay, funny. Month. Okay, great. Then it's the same pair of letters, but the sound is different. So we have this sound like the. If you notice, your vocal cords are on. So you use the same part of your mouth to produce the same silent sound, but this time you are complementing the sound with your vocal cords. That is something I did not realize until I was studying for this class. And it's important because many times you will find yourselves imitating the sound. You listen to someone, you try to make it sound the same, but if you know how it is different here, your mouth is easier to grasp, to get the difference, to understand the difference. The next one, this. If you notice, you are vibrating your vocal cords. It's not this, it's this. Do you notice the difference? So it's not this, it's this. Your mouth vibrates. Okay, and then you have other. Great. And this one is so now. Alpha. Those are more difficult. The word they use to differentiate this is muff, which is una polilla, muff, and mother. It looks the same, it sounds different, and the difference is that one is voiceless and the other one requires the vibration. Just a quick check. Is it clear? Did you get the difference? So what's the rule? There are no rules. Any word can be pronounced with either sound. You have to listen to that first, which is easier now. We have technology. The new Apple iOS, the 18th version of Apple iOS, is going to incorporate a real-time translator. It will listen to whatever you want to say, and then it will say it in the language you choose, and the other way around. Something out of science fiction, but it's not useful because that will never let you learn. It's against the learning process. So this is harder, but it's better, I think. Okay, and just a quick check. ¿Todo está claro? ¿Vamos bien? ¿Sí ven la diferencia?
Sí.
Perfecto. Hay palabras muy difíciles que son como una prueba para saber qué tan bueno eres hablando inglés. Decíamos, ¿verdad, maestra? El número 33. Es difícil decir el 33 en inglés. It's 33. It's a hard one. 33. If you notice, it has 2 times the TH sound. 33. Right? It's not on the book. It's not something that we are going to cover. It was just a funny way of telling you that if you have command of these sounds, all of them in English, you're going to sound more like a native speaker. So that's why the phonetic sound, the part of the language that you speak, is very important, and that is why getting to know these tricks is useful. I'm presenting you a short video. I will just show a part of the clip because the professor is telling you how to produce these sounds, okay?
Behind the teeth. So if these are the front teeth here, your tongue will go behind. So for the voice, so the teeth are here, the tongue is like this. And as the sound goes, it vibrates between the teeth and the tongue. And you use your vocal cords. So we see this in words like mother, these, this, that, those, and bathe, the verb, bathe. Okay. For the unvoiced, the tongue position is similar, but you don't use your vocal cords and you let the air pass through. So no vocal cords are being used, and the air is passing over the tongue and down. And I feel it on my bottom lip here. So you'll hear that in words like mop, fix, with, and back, the noun. Okay? So if we're going to compare side by side, voiced, mother, unvoiced, mop, mother, mop. Make sure you're repeating so you can get practice.
Pronunciation is something that is important and difficult. Even if you understand the written English, the part in the book is different from speaking English. So that's why we're focusing on pronunciation. So we have more examples. This time I ask you to repeat them. That. They. Mother. What is it now? What? Father. Okay, great. What kind of sound? Is it the voiceless or the one with the sound? Which one? Which one are these examples? The voiceless or the one with the sound? Try to make it again. That is your voice. Your vocal cords are vibrating. That. Then it's not the sound. Okay? That. Who is that? Who's that? That. Voice is vibrating. Who's that? This is my brother. This is my brother. And that's her grandmother. So all of these are examples of the from TH sound, the one that you complement with your vocal cords, okay? Why don't we practice an exercise, a simple one? Show me a picture of someone in your family, your father, your mother, your brother. Who is she? But say the phrase, this is my mother.
This is my mother.
Mother, okay. So what kind of sounds are you making? The one with the full mouth or the voiceless? And this is my mother. This is my mother. In both cases, your vocal cords are making a sound. This is my mother. Right. Thank you.